Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm back with a simple, easy design granny square. It's the solid granny square using front post double crochet. It's a normal solid granny square, however in the middle we'll do the front post double crochet to give it a different look from the classic one. So if you want to see how to make it, stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic and 6mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 4. One double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, another double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, join to the top, chain 3. This is the first row. Now I'm gonna slip stitch into the space and I'll start my work from here. I'm gonna chain 3. So the chain 3 will be part of the space, 2 double crochet, chain 2 double crochet, and I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 front post double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the 3rd stitch. So 1 double crochet, 1 front post, 1 double crochet. In the corner I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. In the next 3 I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, one front post, and 1 double crochet. And I'm gonna repeat 2 double crochet in the space, chain 2, 2 double crochet. One double crochet in the next stitch, front post double crochet in the next one, and double crochet in the following one. Again 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the space, and the last one, 1 double crochet in the stitch, 1 front post double crochet, and 1 more double crochet, and we finish in the space 2 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and join to the top, chain 3. And this is the second round with the front post stitch. It gets clearer later on in the next rows. We're gonna repeat the same. So we're gonna chain 3, considered as a double crochet, double crochet in the next stitch, front post, double crochet in the following one, front post stitch, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, next 3, so 3 double crochet, front post, 3 double crochet in the space, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, one double crochet in the next 3 stitches, one front post, one double crochet in the next 3 stitches, in the space 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, one double crochet in the next 3 stitches, in the front post, one front post, and again double crochet in the following 3 stitches. We repeat the same till the end of the row. and join to the top chain 3, initial chain 3. This is 3 rows into the granny square, and this is how it looks like. This is with a different color, and we're gonna add one more row to see it more clearly. Again, we start with a chain 3, and double crochet in each stitch. Front post in the previous front post, and double crochet. And we repeat in the space 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and we repeat throughout the row the same thing. And here I'm at round 4, the end of it, and I'm gonna join to the top chain 3. This is how it looks after round 4. Very easy pattern to incorporate in any project of your choice with any color or color combo as well. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it useful. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye.